Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Orion protocol. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, if you haven't seen the previous Orion protocol update, I would recommend that you check it out before watching this video. It's going to be in the top right section of your video, in the top right corner, because I am not going to explain everything that I did in the last video, and thus you're going to have a lot more context when you're watching this one. And this is going to be a new update with new information. I just don't want to drag out this video for too long. So I did give you the buy area over here from $7.41 to $6.50, and we came down all the way down to $7.05. So let's say you bought in somewhere in the middle, or at least you bought in at $7.40. You could have been in a nice 22% trade, but as of right now, you are in a 15% trade roughly. So looking good. And on this large fib that we have set up, we do have a technical target of $110 by the end of the bull market, and we do have a target below that at $71 and a target below that at $53. Now, this is the 4-hourly chart on TradingView, and yeah, that's pretty much it for TradingView. Let's jump into Binance. Now, jumping into Binance, we do have a bullish pattern playing out on the daily chart, as well as it is seen on the 4-hourly chart. So we do have an inverse head and shoulders. So this is going to be your left shoulder. I do apologize about that. So this is going to be your left shoulder, and this is going to be your right shoulder, and this is going to be your head. Now we do have the neckline over here, this white line, this white horizontal, that's the neckline. Now you take a trend line from the bottom of the head all the way up to the resistance, and you place it at the resistance where you think the breakout is going to happen. Well, it could happen in a couple of days, right? It could happen tomorrow, it could happen in 15 minutes, but we don't know. But that gives us roughly a target of $11. Okay, so that's our target from this inverse head and shoulders. And we are in that target only after we come up, break the resistance, and open up a candles and perhaps backtest as support. Only then are we going to be in a target to this $11 price. Now, this is the daily chart. Other than that, you can see that it's a bit choppy. You know, we have been going sideways for quite a while, but I think this is all just a coiling up move for a breakout to the upside, and a pretty strong one in my opinion. We're going to have a nice breakout. We haven't lost this low over here, which is very good. If you would have lost this low and you came back down, then yeah, that would have been your potential bear market. But here, came up, found support, consolidating, waiting for the next break. Okay, so just be patient. Looking at the RSI on the daily chart, so we have been supported by this line, but I don't think we're going to need that. So we do have these two support lines over here right now. So one is over here because you had a touch over here, as you can see, and you had multiple touches of resistance on this line, just like here, for example, and here. So it does have some meaning, right? We do have another touch over here. And if we look, we do have also a trend line over here, like this, right? But that would be just too many trend lines, and you never know which one is going to hold support and you know, give us resistance. So I just pick the ones that have the most touches, right? So you can see this lower trend line has a lot of touches as well as support. So that's something that we can be looking at in the future. But right now, what you're looking for is to break this red resistance line, because that's a multi-month resistance since August 10th. We had 1-2 touch off of it, and now we're looking for that break. It is also possible that we just get rejected and sent back to this support line, this white trend line. Okay, so do make sure to set up all of this on your charts, set up the trend lines, so it's easier for you to look at this at your PC or laptop or whatever. So yeah, we're looking for a break of this trend line. If you see yourself get rejected, maybe that's a nice place to put some sell orders at. Or if you're looking to take profits, you know, this would be a nice area to put some sell orders at once you see the RSI get to this point on the daily chart. But I would recommend, you know, just waiting it out. And if you're looking for, you know, holding until the end of the bull market, then potentially just wait a bit until you're in the overbought over here on the daily chart at least. So yeah, that's the daily chart. Jumping into the stochastic RSI, as you can see, the volume isn't too good. We're not getting too much steam, no movements towards this area over here, which is the overbought. And that's where potentially you want to be taking profits on the stochastic RSI. As you can see, all these moves have been choppy, not enough steam, not enough bull power to take us all the way up there, but you have been in the oversold for quite a few times, so that would have been a nice area to put some buy orders at. Now looking at the MACD, we are in a bullish cross in the MACD, so this is confirming our uptrend, right? And the previous time we got a bullish cross on the MACD was over here, and you see the appreciation was very nice. And we got a bullish cross over here on the MACD as well, a nice appreciation over there. And as you can see, a bullish cross over here, nice appreciation as well. So this is kind of your precursor. This is your lagging indicator that's going to show you what you're doing, right? And what is the trend right now based on the MACD. But that bullish cross came in only after we started the uptrend over here on the charts, right? On the price action. So yeah, we do have a bullish pattern playing out. If we quickly jump into the 4-hourly chart, let's see what's going on over here. Okay. So the main thing is that we have made a higher low, basically. So this was your low, right? And this is going to be your higher low, right? So and the next time you have an impulsive wave towards the upside, for example, you start breaking out, right? And this is going to be your low now, right? This will be your higher low, pretty much the previous local high. So it's just all about making higher highs and higher lows and keeping an uptrend. Now let's jump into the RSI and the stochastic RSI on the 4-hourly chart. So almost getting to the overbought right now. So you could swing trade Orion right now. That's actually what I'm doing at the minute. And on the 4-hourly chart, we're kind of coming up, starting to move towards the overbought over here. So that's when you potentially want to take some profits and swing trade. And when you come back down, that's when you buy back in. Ignore the trend lines, therefore the 4-hourly chart. This is the 4-hourly chart and therefore the daily chart. I do apologize. These are the trend lines from the daily chart. So other than that, we're looking good. Very nice project to accumulate right now, because you can see this entire phase over here has just been reaccumulation, and you want to be buying into a project over here so that you can, sell it when you have a strong move towards the upside over here, right? So yeah, we're looking at least, the all-time high by the end of the year. I think that is doable. That is very doable. And in December, all the people that got in will have the opportunity to at least break even. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out the 2 videos on your screen right now. Check out the Discord server and the Telegram chat. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.